Well, my name is Shawn Arbour. I am the production manager here at Kennebec Technologies. We really strive on honesty with our customer up front. I'd rather tell a customer that I can do something in 4 weeks today and get it and perform in 4 weeks than to lie to them, tell them we can do it in 3. We have daily reports that we send to some of our customers that tell them the status of everything and where it's at, when we think we're going to deliver it. We really focus on partnering with customers. We want to be a team player with them. You know, it benefits us, it benefits them. We want to give them somebody that's reliable. You know, we want somebody that's reliable. We communicate a lot. We have quarterly meetings with customers, almost all of them. We do long-term agreements with them. We try to focus on the long-term jobs, things that are going to repeat, so we can build that relationship with the customer. We focus on a lot of cross-training so people can work in multiple areas of the shop. If our load is very heavy in one area of the shop, we have people that are capable of moving to that to focus on that load. A lot of our customers require short turnaround with minimal notice that the parts are coming. So we need to be able to shift our work capabilities and capacities accordingly to support that. We've done a lot with standardizing equipment. So if we have a machine that's busy doing something, but a customer comes in and has a quick demand, we have multiple pieces of equipment that are the same across the board. So from an employee standpoint, if a person can run this machine, they can also run the next machine over. From a customer perspective, if I can run your job in this one machine, I can also run it in 2 other ones that we have that are exactly the same on the shop floor. There's no learning curve to switching jobs from one machine to the next because they're all exactly the same. The newer equipment allows us to produce good quality parts all the time, regardless of which one it runs in. There's minimal downtime, so we know when we start a job, the equipment is new enough, it's capable enough, it's going to machine your parts in the time that we say that it's going to machine them. You don't have to worry about downtime. And you know, very rarely do I call a customer and say, I can't machine your parts because this machine's down. It just doesn't happen when you have new equipment. We focus on buying quality equipment. We do not purchase low-end machines just for the sake of saving a few dollars. We'll spend extra money to get the machine that has the higher quality. We want equipment that in 10 years from now is going to be producing the same quality of part as it is from day one, and is not going to be breaking down all the time. The machines that we buy can produce parts faster, better, with higher quality. We try to buy the ones with the best rapids, the best feed rates, the ones that hold the tighter tolerances. It makes it easier for the employee to run it, and it ensures that the customer is going to get the same product every time, all the time. We do a lot with consignment tooling, so we have the tooling on hand all the time. It gets tagged to the job as you use it. It eliminates getting a job to the floor and having to order the tooling when it gets there, or ordering the day before. A lot of our customers will drop parts here and they need them 2 days from now. We can't be buying tooling and waiting for it to come in. We want it right here at our fingertips. So we've invested in the toolbox cabinets. That's greatly helped us as far as having the tooling available at all times. Company approach to customers would be, I had said before, you know, always tell them the truth of what's going down. Try to communicate with them the best you can. You know, keep them involved in everything that you're doing the best you can. There's no secrets here at Kennebec. I mean, from the top down, there's no secrets. Any one of our buyers could call the owner tomorrow and have a conversation with them about anything that's going on, or they could call our shipping person and ask them what's going on. We don't hide anything. We try not to pass the buck to anybody as far as information that comes from the company. You know, we invest in technology, even our operating system that we use to control our jobs. It takes it right from the quote to the order that we enter, to scheduling it, to shipping it, to invoicing it. It's all one system. Anybody at any given time can go into that system and find out where a job's at, what the status is. It's not uncommon for somebody in quality to get a production question. If they don't know the answer, then they push it to the people that need to answer it. We have a broad commitment, and the people that don't have that commitment don't last here. That's the bottom line.